morning. This is my Halloween vlog. So about 6:30 this morning, had to feed the bottle baby. Made some coffee and headed on over to my computer and did some stuff there for the farm. Now we are going to push up the rest of this hay, let them eat it down. Whatever they don't eat by the time I get back from my doctor's appointment, we'll throw it on in and get them some more hay today. Hi, girls. I know, Joss. Look at this cute little babe. He is my favorite. He's always in the barn. He's so adorable. It looks like Sally is having her calf. Okay, this is Sally. Yeah, it almost looks like she's gonna calve. Okay, we'll keep an eye on her. And yesterday we had a babe, and I don't know where Mama is, so it's freezing. Let's try and find Mama, and we'll look at the new baby. I am such a ding-dong. Mama is in... But where's her baby? Mama, where's your baby? Not this one, the one behind her. We'll go over and see if we can find him. Yes, that's Jocelyn, her little calf. Oh, he's just adorable. Just so tiny and cute. Here's Ginger. This is Betty. Betty has not had her calf yet either. So let's check her out and see what she looks like. Betty? Nope, she doesn't look like she's gonna have a calf, but she might. She might surprise me. Okay, Mama, this is the new Mama. I had to pull that baby yesterday. I'll show you that video. Damn thing is coming out backwards. Okay, Mama. Hi. Mama, where's your baby? Yeah, you better all find your babies. All right, let's go see if we can find her baby. I think I found it. There's a baby right up there. And it's pretty chilly. Look, here's Mama following me. So yeah, I'd say that's her baby. This is why we do checks. We gotta get the baby back over across the fence so that way it eats off of Mama, warms up. Because like I said, it's pretty chilly this morning. Yep, Mama's following. Definitely her baby. All right. Let's make sure this little guy is not too cold. Hi, baby. Do you remember me? Whoa! He's crazy. Going the wrong way. I hate when this happens. As long as we can get him across the fence. He looks great though. Whoop, right into the fence. There he goes. Mama's like, really? All right, buddy. Hey. Hi. There you go. Get on through. Go. Come on. You're gonna get the crap shocked out of you, buddy. All right, let's go down this way. Come on. Hi. There we go. We got him pushed through. And he is just such a big calf. Hi, buddy. Hi. There you go. Eat off of Mama. Perfect. Whew. Like I said, it is freezing out this morning. Whew. Let's get this hay pushed up. I'm walking the whole way around because this pregnant belly is not ducking under another fence right now. Look how beautiful that tree is. All right. Here we go. Yep, these girls will finish cleaning all of this up. When I get back from my appointment, we will put some more hay in, do all that. I'm trying to scoop feed to go up to the farm and get some minerals over here to my brood cows. This is what I have to deal with. Huh. Because Mr. Dilbert's in the barn. Yeah. Look at this. I don't have milk. You got your milk this morning. But you're so cute. But you're so cute. Hi. I have nothing for you, cutie pie. I gotta get a tag in your ear though, so I can claim you. Yeah. You're spoiled rotten. Here's a button. What? What do you want, buddy? Okay. So since I'm pregnant, I can't carry this 50-pound bag of mineral all the way up to the barn. So I'm gonna put half of it into a bucket, and I'm just gonna go ahead and carry it on up to the brood cows so that way they can get some mineral. Huh. Hi, buddy. Okay. Okay, I have to be very careful when I do this because, oh, yep. One, that calf's in the corner. When these guys see a bucket, they automatically think grain. And yeah, see, they're all gonna come over. So I wanna make sure to get that calf out of the corner, and then I can get my minerals in to these butt heads. Okay, whew, we did it. Holy smokes! He's got the zoomies. Look out. He's got the zoomies. All right, let's head on over to the farm, feed the steers, get them some more water, and then we are going to head off to my doctor's appointment. These guys some water. All right, what an eventful day. Yep, she's having her calf. All right, Miley and I just got back from my doctor's appointment. All right. All right, there's a new babe, maybe. Little bull calf. Where are you at, buddy? There you are. Sweet. All right, I only did 3 bales for right now. The other 2 bales that I'm gonna get, well, Josh will have to get them with the tractor when he comes home. But we got them 3 bales, and that'll be good until tonight. All right, up at the steer barn, got these guys some hay. I'm gonna go ahead, cut the net wrap off, and then put my bale ring around it. Those guys have hay. They have water. I fed them this morning. It's about 2 o'clock, so I'll come back up here around 5 o'clock, 4 or 5 o'clock. Give them 2 more buckets of grain, top their water off for the night, and call it a day. So I'm whooped. I'm gonna head home, and I gotta get hay to the sheep. I gotta put hay in the sheep barn, but we're gonna end the video here. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys tune in on the next video.